Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the space safe and device ready. Clear a 6-8-foot radius and remove trip hazards so your steps are unconstrained. Power on the Quest 2, update firmware, and charge to above 50% to prevent interruptions. Once done, put on comfortable shoes and launch the app to set Guardian boundaries. This defines your play area and prevents collisions. Make sure headset fit is snug and lenses are clean so your view and balance remain stable as you begin walking. You now configure locomotion and calibrate controls. Go to Settings, then Movement or Experimental, and enable the locomotion modes available to your app Smooth, Teleport, or Dash so you can compare them. Choose a comfort turn of 30 or 45 degrees to reduce motion sickness, and set joystick sensitivity low, then increase gradually. Once enabled, practice short straight walks and slow rotations to learn the input-to-motion mapping. Make sure to recalibrate the Guardian if tracking feels off. You finish by practicing structured sessions and applying fixes if needed. Start with 5 minutes, then 10, then 20, resting between sessions to monitor comfort and reduce motion sickness. Use snap turn or stationary modes for intense scenes and reserve smooth locomotion for calm environments. If you experience drift, recenter the headset, rerun the Guardian setup, and if tracking still behaves oddly, reboot the Quest 2 and check for firmware updates. Remember, incremental exposure and adjustments are how you walk comfortably and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.